Okay, so this is the e.l.f. Very Black 3-in-1 mascara. And real quick, I don't have much to say about this mascara, but I do have one critical thing to say about it. This is like by far the only mascara that I've ever had in my entire life that doesn't dry out. And you know, you can't have your cake and, well, where I come from, they say you can't have your cake and eat it. So although it doesn't dry out, I'll let you know a con to that. It's like a disadvantage to it not drying out, but I'll tell you that at the end of the video. So real quick, right now I'm not wearing any mascara. I'm just wearing these half lashes, like they're not full lashes. I can't ever find the time to put on full lashes, and it's looking kind of ratchet right now, but no one cares. I don't. So basically I'll just read what it says here. I think I purchased this for like $2 something, and I purchased it at Target a few months ago. It's been a while. I've had this almost 1 year. Now it says all-in-one mascara that helps lengthen. It doesn't lengthen my lashes. I'm sorry, I did not see that. It helps define. Yeah, it gives it a little definition. Of course, you're putting black mascara on your eyelashes and it's going to look different. And in terms of volumize, I do see difference in volume. I do get more volume when I use this. Unique silicone brush has precision bristles to coat lashes for a dramatic look. It really isn't that bad, but in terms of the length, I don't see where it gives it a whole lot more length. But I shouldn't have done this review and demonstration with actual lashes on, but I hardly ever go it without lashes sometimes, so you'll just have to look at the difference, like probably at the bottom or right here. Like my lashes are halfway. Like if you look here, lashes stop right here, so we'll get to see the demonstration right there. No animal testing, made in China, blah blah blah, designed in USA, and it's in the color, this is very black. So this is what the bristles look like. These are the silicone bristles. Now what I love about this tip, well, the what do you call this, like the edge, I like the fact that I could use this section. You know, sometimes when you try putting on the mascara, sometimes you won't catch like the little tiny hairs on your lashes. This little ball tip here is perfect. Let me put it on right now and show you what I mean. So I'm going to this is better. Now this is what I mean. I would use the tip and I would go like this. Like I'd comb it out, literally. Comb it out. So it blends with the lashes that I'm wearing, the half lashes. I find that putting on half lashes are much easier and quicker than putting on full lashes, especially with the lash glue that I use. It's kind of complicated. That lash glue, if you're not careful with it, it gets black all over your eyelids. I'm sure you see the difference. And now I'm going to do the bottom lashes. Now I use this section here to, now I would prefer like a smaller wand to get my lashes at the bottom. I don't like the one for my bottom lashes because it's just too big, like, to catch anything there. I just went ahead and I added more black eye pencil to my bottom lids because my eyes were not popping at the bottom there. But although it doesn't dry out, like, it has this stickiness and I guess that's as a result of it not drying out in the container, so I guess it doesn't dry outside, and I guess that's the technology that they have. But it's very sticky. Like if I do this, I feel my eyelashes, the top and the bottom ones, they're like sticking together. So What do you think about before and after? This is like, do you see any difference in this? But it's super cheap because most like the higher end drugstore mascaras cost like $8, $9, $10. I mean, who wants to spend 10 US on one mascara? And I paid under $3 for this, and I've had this for like months and months and months. So, and it hasn't dried out, and I've used super expensive mascaras that have dried out in like no time. So this is a big plus for this mascara, and as I said to you before, I really love the tip. I don't think I'm leaving anything out. Like sometimes when I do the reviews, if I don't write stuff out down over time about the mascara, I never really usually do remember what else I should say. But when I remember stuff, I would either include it when I edit the video, or I'll put it in this, or I usually put it in the description box down below. I like reading from the comments down below when you guys comment, and let me know what mascara is. Oh, my blouse was like this for like the entire video. Like, who cares? Anyway, so my blouse, not my blouse, what am I saying? Let me know what mascara works best for you, and I would love for you to like this video. When you like the video and when you comment and when you share, it's better for my analytics on YouTube, and who wouldn't want better, right? Anyway, so I'll see you the next one. Bye.